Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be doing a paper piecing from the Toy Story page kit number 104. You can pick up this kit by clicking on the link in the description below. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using the Art Glitter brand of glue called Designer Dries Clear. It has a fine metal tip on top that I've added. Okay, so we're going to start with the base. I'm just going to go ahead and add his feet or shoes. It has a very, very thin border of black. Very, very thin. Okay, so we're just centering it on his foot there. I'm going to put his hands next. I like to work around the edges first, where it's easier to tell how to center the pieces, and then work my way from the edge to the middle. And I lay it down first, make sure I've got it the right direction before I add the glue. Okay, now let's see. Wonderful. It makes it so much easier to place this piece down, putting it right around the arms. Okay, so I'm going to add the glue here. Oh yeah, definitely recommend putting the white arms and hands in first before this piece. It made it real easy to line up. Okay, so the hats we can do next. That looks right. Okay. So this page kit is definitely one of my easier ones to put together as far as the paper piecing. So if you are a beginner to paper piecing or to my kits and would like to try it out, I do recommend the Toy Story page kit number 104. As all of the pieces are fairly simple, definitely in comparison to some other kits that have a lot more pieces going on. And I do have a paper piecing video for every single piece, paper piecing image or title for this particular kit on my YouTube channel. So you can actually pick up the kit and then sit and work on it with me. And the nice thing about that is you can pause, stop, rewind. I'm just going to use my pin from my glue to pick up some of that glue that came out. Okay. I'm going to put the mustache in next. Hopefully that'll help me line up the nose and his lip. He is really cute, Mr. Potato Head. It's one of my favorite characters. It's so cute. Love these movies. Okay, the lip is a very thin piece, so I'm going to actually put some glue on the base of the image itself. I'm going to just pick this up with my fingernail. Slide it over. Now you can use tweezers if that's easier for you. I tend to just use my fingernails to get it under there. Okay, you need some eyes. Okay, oh, let me see. Trying to see which way it goes. Okay, I know this one's got to be here because that's the smallest one. And you'll have a picture. I'm referring to a photo, and you'll have that same photo in your kit. Okay, I'm just going to slide this one here. I'm going to just lay this in first. I want to make sure that I have the pieces in the correct place before I add my glue. Nope. And it's a good thing I did that. Okay. This is the bottom and this one is the top. Now I see the differences in if it's rounded or indented. Okay. So it looks like it's going to be like that. All right, I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. Take this out. Trying to see if I have the right white piece in there, but I think so. Okay. Let me get these out of the way. Oh, there he is. All done. So cute. Okay. Here's a close-up look. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button. And once again, if you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please check the description below this video. You might have to click on that little arrow to see more. And there is a link where you can pick up this kit as well as see many other projects from me. I design page kits and album kits. So please check that out and follow me there as well. And thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.